Welcome back. In this video, we're making buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter over low heat, then add a 1/4 cup of flour. Cook off the flour about 1 minute. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk. Whisk until nice and smooth. Add in 1 cup each of buffalo wing hot sauce cheddar and a jalapeño cayenne. In goes the pasta of your choice, 3/4 cup pasta water, and 3 tablespoons of hot sauce. Pour into an oven-safe pan. Layer breaded chicken right over the top. Some more of the cheese from before. Apologies in advance, but some blue cheese crumbles. A little drizzle of habanero hot sauce. Broil at 500 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Last but not least, some ranch dressing. And there we have it, buffalo chicken mac and cheese. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.